evening of day 2. I got about 5 birds to clean up to get my limit today. We're at a different spot. Cut wheat field. Got gravel on top. Second option for birds. I got my lucky duck out there. Dad's sitting over there in the hedgerow. Pretty sure he's already got one. I know I got one before I turned the camera on. So looking like it might be a pretty good evening here. So stay tuned, find out. Giving them that light modified treatment today. Come floating by, I think he was gonna go join his friends out here. Nope. Nope. Not today. Not today. Should get better footage in the evening since it's not dark. So I'm kind of excited. This dove may not count against my limit. It doesn't. That's a special one there. That's one of those Eurasian collared ones. They're a nuisance species, so they have no limit. So that was a bonus. That's my 3rd Eurasian collared dove. Actually, I was hunting a pond a few years ago, and 2 came in, and I gave them both the business. I don't know what he's doing. He's standing up over. Oh. That's distance. I want to send a shout out to Carlson's here in Kansas, makers of fire and choke tubes. It's light modified sporting clays. I'm going to tell you, it's been crunching them. It's probably a little too tight for opening week in the dove season, but it's helped me out major. And I also run their cremator for waterfowl. I got the mid-range and the long range. All of those are amazing choke tubes. So if you're in the market for a choke tube, check them out. They're not paying me for this. I just love them, and they're a Kansas company, so I'm going to support them. Woo! Woo! Average is a little bit better this evening.
Hearing thunder?
Yeah.
It looks like it could be raining over there towards Murphy, man.
Yeah, it's gonna be close. I was gonna give it a little bit and see what happens here.
Yeah, how many you got?
3 turtle doves, and I shot one of those Eurasian collar doves. Hold on. Four turtle doves and one of the Eurasian collar doves. It's a common. It appears the evening hunt's gonna be cut short. We need the rain though, we need it. Well, that's gonna do it for day 2, guys. Concluded the day with the 15 bird limit. It just took 2 sessions to do it. So definitely a little more grind today, but still a limit. Got that bonus bird, the Eurasian collared. But one of those I've killed. So all in all, pretty good day. Gonna go pick up Dad before this weather hits. But man, let me tell you what, we need it. We need it. So hopefully it rains. It's been a good couple days of hunting. Thank you. If you like the videos, please, 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 please like, share, and subscribe. Please like, share, and subscribe. And again, let me know what you want to see, what I can do better, what I can do different. Thank you.